Pawpaw Sammy and Ellie Bug here. This guitar had a Baggs acoustical, what they call it? Pickup. All right. The nut, the adjustment nut come loose. And back here in the back, the adjustment nut right there. So what we did was took a wooden dowel and very gently moved it back. Okay. Now it's adjusted where it needs to be. But to keep it there, before it kept working in and out, loose. We're going to put a drop of super glue on that nut. One little drop of super glue right there on that nut. And let it dry. And that way that nut won't move and its adjustment will hold. It'll stay where it belongs. To do that, we had to move all the strings and get to the inside. Also, this fell off. Not sure why, but it fell off. So what we're going to do is hot glue right back where it goes, underneath. So wish us luck. The pickup had also fallen out. The pickup was originally put in here with double back tape, and it fell out. And we tried double back tape again, and it fell out. So now we took the hot glue gun and hot glued it, and it looks like it's going to hold, hopefully. All right, we tried the hot glue gun, tough luck. So now we're going to go at it with super glue. And if that don't work, I don't know what we're going to do next.
Where are you going to put the super glue?
All right. We're going to put a speck here, here, and here. And then put it in place. Hopefully it works. We're fixing to find out. Okay. This is a feedback suppressor. And you can't get to the adjustments with the way it's built without messing up your adjustments. So, in redneck terms, this stops vibrations, the feedback. And we're trying to customize it where we can get it back in there without taking it out, in and out, in and out, and leave it in place and work with it. So bear with us. This is going to be fun and noisy. I can come in a little further on that. Oh, look at my shirt.
So what you doing now?
This is old tin snips from back in my metal building days. And hopefully I thought it would cut that, but apparently it don't want to. So then we'll go wrong scissors. I got heavy duty scissors somewhere. Oh, here you are. They'll cut metal. I don't know if they'll cut this rubber or not. There you go. That looks a little better. I think it's going to work, buddy. Never count the redneck out. If it can be done, it can be done. Little piece right there is aggravating. When I used to work for Western Electric, Southern Bell, back in the 60s, you can cut pennies with that. They'll cut it. Well, I don't know what else to do with this unless it's this. I wonder, that's not gonna work. Now, I done lost the dead gum. Here it is.
So what are you switching over to now?
I'm putting a small grinding stone on there and see if I can smooth it. That rubber's hard to mess with. I have emery cloth. Here it is. Trying to smooth it up where it don't look so ragged, Keith. Let me get a little more of that.
You want to go test it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Look. Ready? All right, we got it cut out. Here goes nothing. It's gonna clear. It cleared it right there.
All right, that looks good.
Never count the rednecks out. I heard that. It's fixed.